Hi everyone, Divya Pandit here. So here I come with my next zodiac sign, that is Pisces. Pisces 2021 September. So let's see what energy we have for Pisces in this month. Pisces are all out to be the biggest showman. Okay. So basically, I feel that Pisces, you all are in a state of mind where you don't feel like connecting with anyone and you just want to concentrate on your work and doing well in life and manifest for the best things to happen. Okay. So let's see. Okay. So, in the month of September, Pisces, the first week is going to be a lot of growth in money. Money growth is happening for you, Pisces, very, very soon. In fact, in the first week, and that growth will happen with the help of people around you. Maybe there are colleagues, maybe there are people in your same business. I think there's a lot of growth happening with the help of people, okay? In the first week. The second week, all of a sudden, some work which is not happening for a long time will start happening. And also, there will be more options at work, more options opening up for you, okay? Third week. Now, third week and fourth week is a little tricky for you, Pisces, because third week, I need to remove one more card. Third week, I feel that you will be hurt by someone's behavior. It is mostly to do either if you're a man, it will be a wife. If you're a female, it will be a male husband, or it could be somebody in your work environment. Okay, in your work environment, you're going to feel that person has manipulated you, try to hurt you, try to control you. Okay, somewhere this person, whoever this is, male or female, is going to be a very strong person, very strong. So that person will actually try to manipulate the situation and try to control you, maybe try to hurt you in many ways. So that could happen. Okay, in the fourth week, there is a transformation period going on. There's a lot of transformation. Uh, this transformation is to do with something in your work only, but this is going to get a lot of toxic situation around you. So there is something coming in the fourth week of September towards you, which is going to end. So I think the same energy from the third week is going to get carried forward to the fourth week. And there is a lot of ending happening. Ending of manipulation, ending of the toxic relationship behavior that people have been projecting to you, ending, and it is all related to the opposite sex. Like if you're a female, it's a male. If you're a male, it's a female. Okay, ending of somewhere. If somebody was blocking your relationship with someone out of their own personal benefit, this is going to end. Either you will end the relationship with that person, or you will end the toxicity that was surrounding your relationship with that other person. So which will start from the third week of September and continue to the fourth week of September. So this is a very big change you're coming your way. It could be with a work colleague, it could be somebody very important in your life which is related to your money. It is related to your money. So this is a very important change coming your way. Very important change. And after that, what card I got? Two of Cups. So maybe you will go in partnership with someone, or you will come together with someone in a very soulmate connection. Yeah. So it's a very deep energy that you're going to feel in the month of September. So the first week is growth, second week is options and work happening, third week is again control and somebody will try to hurt you, and then fourth week, transformation of relationships around you. Okay, so let's see what we have in your love reading. And now let's see what we have for your Pisces, for your relationship reading. Okay, relationship reading. See, you are making your choices, my God, in the month of September. You are going to go through challenging times in your relationship in the month of September. The first half is going to be very challenging because I feel that if you were listening to a lot of people gossiping, influencing you, in the month of September, you're going to realize that. You realize that you were wrong to listen, or you were wrong to get influenced. So in the month of September, you're coming out of that. You are coming out of that. That is why the time is challenging, because when we are coming out of that thought of inner mind that oh God, I got influenced, oh God, I got carried away, that is going to affect you, because that is going to take you into guilt, right? You're going to rebuild a relationship in your life, be it your love relationship, be it anybody you are thinking of right now. Okay, there's a lot of rebuilding energy. I feel that you will move on, because I feel you have more options in your life. I feel your family bonding is going to increase, but with your relationship, you're still going to think. Okay, you're moving on from the past toxic behavior, being alone, thinking within yourself. You're acknowledging the truth in the month of September. Okay, you are going to reach out to your lover, your partner, your whoever you're thinking about, friend, anybody. You're going to reach out. You're going to take the first move, and things are not going to be very easy in the month of September in relationship area for you. However, I feel that it's a learning period for you. I'm not going to sugarcoat anything. I feel it's a learning period for you in the month of September, Pisces, because you're learning to handle your relationships. You're learning how to not get influenced in your relationship by others. When others influenced you and you ruined your relationships, you're learning to move on. That's what I feel in the month of September. So I would really like you all to work on yourself in the month of September, because your heart chakra is blocked here. And I want you to work on your heart chakra, because heart chakra energy relates to everything in a life that we tell you, even money. It relates to everything. If you work on your heart chakra in the month of September, you will find yourself opening up to a lot of possibilities in your relationship, more understanding in your relationship, and the karmic energy that you've gone through, or the bad time that you've gone through and you're going through in the month of September, it will become easier to understand things. Okay, when your heart chakra is open, you're more open to receiving, understanding. So work on your heart chakra. Okay, I have a heart chakra video, and if anybody is not into meditation, then I feel you should just take a rose quartz and keep that one tumble on your heart chakra every night before sleeping for like 10-15 minutes, with giving it a command to heal your heart chakra, and that will help. Right? So let's see what we have as a fairy message for Pisces. Message fell off. 2 cards fell off. I do take fallen cards. Okay. Fairy spotting. It's time to go fairy spotting. It's said that seeing is believing, but in fact the opposite is true. Believing is seeing. Okay. Divination. Embrace your powers of divination, which are especially strong right now. You have the ability to see the current situation with crystal clear clarity. So yes, that's why the third eye showed up, and I feel that you should go with your intuition. That fairies are asking you to acknowledge your spiritual power, nothing but your spiritual power, and I think that you should go with intuitively what you feel in your life in the month of September. Your intuition is going to guide you, and believing is seeing. So somewhere, if you See, sometimes what happens is we get messages intuitively, but we do not believe in them. We feel what is happening, I'm just overthinking. But just trust your intuition, believe in what you're seeing, and believe in what you're in the messages that you're getting from the divine, and that is going to be the right path for you in the month of September. Okay, so that's all for today. Please press the bell icon, take this channel forward, share it with your family and friends, call me for paid appointments only, email me for paid appointments only, and go on my Twitter, Instagram and Facebook. Go like, follow me there. I have a lot of information there too. And that's all for today. Goodbye. God bless. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.